How to enable offline mode on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable offline mode on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down here until you find this one offline mode. And now just if you want to enable it, just click on it and then go back. As you see, offline mode have been enabled. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.